Hi, first graders. Today we're going to do lesson 3, making pictures and models with shapes. So for this lesson, we're going to talk about how you can combine and separate plain and solid shapes. So here are two rectangles, two triangles, and a square. So you can put these shapes together and make pictures. It kind of reminds me of like when we play with pattern blocks. So using these exact shapes, you could make this picture or this picture. When you have pictures like this, then you can count the shapes and name the shapes that you have in your pictures. So let's take a look at this picture and count how many of each shape there are. So the first one says, how many triangles are there? So looking at the picture, I see one triangle here, and that's all I see. So one triangle. The next one says how many rectangles. So remember, rectangles are longer on one side, and then they have 4 sides and 4 corners. So there's one rectangle. How many squares do you see? I see one square. And how many circles do you see? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Now, you're going to do some activities like this in your workbook today. You're going to do pages 105 to 110. And for one of them, you're going to need your scissors and glue stick so you can get those out as well. And you're going to be making your own pictures and then counting the shapes you have in those pictures as well. Have fun with this one.